Welcome back to Healthy Talk, your go-to source for health and wellness tips. Today, we're diving into the crunchy world of carrots. Did you know that eating carrots every day can significantly impact your overall health? From improving your eyesight to boosting your immunity, carrots are a powerhouse vegetable you need in your diet. Stick around as we explore the science-backed benefits of eating carrots daily and how you can incorporate them into your meals. Let's get started. Carrots are more than just a crunchy snack, they're a treasure trove of essential nutrients that support overall health. Let us break down the nutritional components of carrots and their significance. Beta-carotene is a carotenoid pigment responsible for the vibrant orange color of carrots, and it is converted into vitamin A in the body. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight and preventing conditions like night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. It also promotes cell regeneration and protects against UV damage, keeping your skin youthful and radiant. Additionally, it supports the production of white blood cells, which help fight infections. Just one medium carrot provides over 100% of the recommended daily intake of vitamin A. Carrots are a good source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber adds bulk to stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. It acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and improving microbiome diversity. Fiber keeps you feeling full longer, helping to curb unhealthy cravings. One medium carrot contains about 2 grams of fiber, contributing to your daily fiber needs. Carrots contain a range of antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. They help combat inflammation in the body, which is linked to conditions like arthritis and metabolic syndrome. Unique compounds in carrots, such as polyacetylenes like falcarinol and falcarindiol, have shown anti-cancer properties in studies. Vitamin K1 is essential for blood clotting and bone health. A single carrot contributes to your daily vitamin K needs, supporting strong and healthy bones. Vitamin C boosts the immune system, promotes collagen production, and helps in wound healing. While carrots are not the richest source of vitamin C, their inclusion complements other vitamin C-rich foods. Potassium regulates blood pressure by balancing sodium levels, supports muscle contractions, and maintains proper nerve function. The potassium in carrots helps maintain cardiovascular health. A medium carrot has only about 25 calories, making it a guilt-free, nutrient-dense snack. It contains approximately 6 grams of carbs, including natural sugars that provide a quick energy boost. While not significant sources of protein or fat, carrots complement a balanced diet with their other nutrients. Lutein and zeaxanthin are carotenoids that protect your eyes by filtering harmful blue light and preventing oxidative damage. Chlorogenic acid is an antioxidant that helps regulate blood sugar levels. In summary, a medium carrot contains about 25 calories, 6 grams of carbs, 2 grams of fiber, over 100% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin A, 8% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin K1, approximately 195 milligrams of potassium, and 6% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. Carrots provide a unique combination of low calories, high fiber, and an abundance of vitamins and antioxidants, making them a versatile addition to any diet. Whether you eat them raw, cooked, or juiced, carrots deliver a host of health benefits in every bite. To maximize the absorption of beta-carotene, pair carrots with a healthy fat source, like olive oil, nuts, or avocado. Carrots are not just a delicious snack, they're a nutritional powerhouse offering a wide range of benefits. Here's an in-depth look at why you should consider adding this vibrant vegetable to your daily diet. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which the body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is crucial for the health of your retina and for preventing night blindness, a condition where vision becomes impaired in low light. Beta-carotene also protects against age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss in older adults. Research shows that a diet rich in vitamin A can reduce the risk of developing age-related macular degeneration by up to 25%. If you work long hours in front of screens, consuming carrots can help alleviate eye strain and maintain overall eye health. Carrots are loaded with vitamin C, a key nutrient for producing white blood cells, which are essential in fighting off infections. The antioxidants in carrots, such as beta-carotene and lutein, help combat free radicals that weaken the immune system. During flu season, blend a carrot smoothie with ginger and lemon for a natural immunity booster. Just one medium carrot provides about 6% of your daily vitamin C requirement, making it a simple way to enhance your immune defenses. The antioxidants in carrots, particularly beta-carotene, protect the skin from free radical damage that accelerates aging. Vitamin C in carrots supports the production of collagen, a protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic. Regular consumption can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, blemishes, and dryness, promoting a youthful, radiant glow. Add shredded carrots to your salads or make a carrot face mask for a topical glow-up. Potassium in carrots helps maintain healthy blood pressure by balancing sodium levels. Their soluble fiber content binds with bile acids, reducing LDL levels and promoting heart health. Antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene prevent oxidative stress, a major contributor to cardiovascular disease. Regular carrot consumption can reduce the risk of coronary heart disease by 32%. Prepare a heart-healthy carrot salad with walnuts and olive oil for a tasty way to protect your cardiovascular system. Packed with both soluble and insoluble fiber, carrots support healthy digestion by adding bulk to stool and preventing constipation. The fiber content also promotes a healthy gut microbiome by feeding beneficial bacteria. Carrots are gentle on the stomach, making them an excellent choice for those recovering from digestive issues. A warm bowl of carrot soup not only soothes the digestive system but also provides nutrients in an easily digestible form. With only 25 calories per medium carrot and a high fiber content, carrots help you feel full longer, reducing the likelihood of overeating. Their natural sweetness can satisfy sugar cravings, making them a healthier alternative to processed snacks. Replace chips with carrot sticks and hummus for a low-calorie, nutrient-packed snack that keeps you energized. The fiber in carrots also stabilizes blood sugar levels, preventing the spikes and crashes that lead to hunger pangs. Chewing raw carrots stimulates saliva production, which reduces bacteria in your mouth and helps prevent cavities. The fiber in carrots supports liver health by helping the body eliminate toxins. Antioxidants in carrots protect against cognitive decline, promoting better memory and mental clarity. Snack on raw carrot sticks with dips like guacamole or hummus. Roast carrots with olive oil and herbs for a flavorful side dish. Blend carrots with oranges and ginger for a refreshing morning juice. Try baking carrot muffins or a classic carrot cake for a healthier treat. By eating carrots every day, you'll not only enjoy their delicious flavor but also reap these incredible health benefits. From improving your vision to boosting your immune system, carrots truly are a superfood worth celebrating. How to incorporate carrots into your diet? Now that we know the benefits, let's talk about how to include carrots in your daily routine. Here are some creative ideas. Raw carrots as snacks. Pair with dips like hummus or yogurt-based dressings. Carrot smoothies. Blend carrots with oranges, ginger, and a touch of honey for a refreshing drink. Soups and stews. Add diced carrots to soups, stews, or curries for extra flavor and nutrition. Carrot juice. Enjoy freshly squeezed carrot juice with a splash of lemon. Baking. Use grated carrots to make carrot muffins or a classic carrot cake. There are endless ways to enjoy this versatile vegetable. Experiment and find what works for you. Myths and facts about carrots. Let's debunk some common myths about carrots. Myth: eating too many carrots can turn your skin orange. Fact: while excessive beta-carotene can cause a harmless condition called carotenemia, it's very rare and reversible. Myth: carrots are too high in sugar. Fact: the natural sugars in carrots are minimal compared to processed snacks, and their fiber content helps regulate blood sugar levels. And there you have it, the amazing benefits of eating carrots every day. From improving your vision to boosting immunity and promoting weight loss, carrots truly are a superfood. Incorporating them into your diet is simple and delicious. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to channel name for more health and wellness tips. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Comment below your favorite way to enjoy carrots, raw, cooked, or juiced. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay healthy and keep crunching those carrots. Bye for now.